In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a spreadsheet step by step right here in Google Sheets. So there's so many ways on starting or opening a new spreadsheet. Well, first, if you're starting with an already open spreadsheet, what you can do is to go to File here in the menu bar and select New right at the top. So here we can start with a blank spreadsheet or from the template gallery. That's totally up to you, but if I wanted to start a new blank spreadsheet, I'll just click on this one and that would automatically open a new spreadsheet or a blank new spreadsheet for me. That's your first method. Next method would be if you're starting from, let's say, the Google homepage. What you're going to do is to go to the address bar here at the top, type in sheets.new, press enter, and again, that will open a new blank spreadsheet for you. Another method, if you are starting from the Google homepage, would be to go to your Google Apps. Let's go to this one right here where it will say Google Apps. That's going to be just right beside your Google account. Click on it. And here are the different apps that you can access and use under Google. One of them would be the Sheets app. If I click on this one, it would lead me to the Sheets homepage. And again, we have the option to start with a blank spreadsheet right here. Just click on it, and here we have it. Last but not the least, if you are starting from Google Drive, all you have to do is go to the left side where it will say New. Click on that, go to Google Sheets, and again, you will have two options where you can start with a blank spreadsheet or from a template. With this one, it actually shows us a keyboard shortcut that we can use, again, if you are starting or if you are in your Google Drive. So if I click on this one, here we have our brand new blank spreadsheet on our page. And that's your step-by-step guide on the many ways on how you can open a blank new spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.